الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربما يود الذين كفروا لو كانوا مسلمين صدق الله العظيم. My dear brothers, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has showered so many blessings on His mankind, and the most important blessing is faith. The faith is such a wealth that on the basis of it, one's destiny will be decided whether he should be sent to heaven or hell. Allama ibn Kathir rahimahullah mentioned the quotes of Sahaba Kiram Rizwanullahi ta'ala alayhim ajma'in and speeches of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam in Tafsir ibn Kathir, chapter number 14. I am going to put forth the summary of it in front of you. That Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that on the day of judgment, if anyone has no faith, Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala will put them in hell, and those who have the blessing and the wealth of faith, Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala will put them into heaven. But there will be some people who will be Muslim, but their action will be very weak. They will zero with respect to their deeds. They will also be sent to the hell. That time, the infidels and the Muslims with wicked deeds, both of them will be in hell. The infidel will taunt the Muslim that, O Muslim, I was infidel, I refused kalima, so I was brought to the hell, but you recited kalima, and despite that you are in hell. So after listing this taunting the infidel, the blessing of Allah will become so strong and active, and Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala will give His order through angels that أخرجوا من كان في قلبه مثقال ذرة من الإيمان. Whoever will have even a particle of faith, take him out from hell and admit him into paradise. So I said that the faith is the biggest blessing of Allah. Finally, I pray to Allah that He keeps us steadfast on kalima. Akhir dawana